Welcome. If your lower back feels tight after sitting, stretching it might not be the answer. Often is weak support muscles. I'm Dina and I help you build strength and mobility over 40 in a way that is kind and safe to your body. Today, in this short practice, we're going to strengthen the muscles that support your posture in a kind way. So whenever you're ready, let's begin. Let's start on our hands and knees today. So let's come to a tabletop position and we're going to gently warm up the spine through some cat and cow. So inhale, arch your back, chin and sit bones go up. Exhale, push through your palms, bring the chin to your chest, around your spine. Make it slow and in control. Inhale, arch, sit bones and chin go up. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. Let's do 3 more. Inhale. And exhale. And 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. And the last one. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Now raise the right arm up and extend the left leg. Stay here for a second. Find your balance. You have the option to stay here by extending the arm and the leg as much as possible. Or if you want to join me, inhale, extend. Exhale, bring the elbow to your knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale. And exhale. Make it as slow as possible. Inhale. Exhale. And last one. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Now stop. Shake a bit. Do any organic movement that feels right for your spine now. And let's go the other way. Raise the left arm up. Extend the right leg. Stay here for a second. Find your balance. And if you want to follow me, inhale, extend the arm and leg as much as you can. And exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow to knee, rounding a bit the spine. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And the last one, inhale. And exhale. Good. Now place the hands onto the mat. Slowly shift your pelvis, shift your shoulders. Small movements with the spine. Find your breath. And now push through your palms, push the pelvis back and up for downward facing dog. Slowly pedal the feet, shake the hands, the head. Feet are hip width distance apart, arms are shoulder width apart. Fingers are spread on the mat. And then slowly stop at the center, push through your palms, extend the spine as much as you can, create that space. And then slowly bend the right leg and place the leg in between your palms. Push through your legs and come up for Crescent lunge. Very active pose here. We will stay for 3 breaths. Inhale for 1. 2. And 3. Now slowly let your Thoracic, come forward, lean forward and come up into warrior 3. You can keep your hands onto your hips if that feels better for you now. And very slow, bend the front leg and place the left leg back. Crescent lunge again, and we do this a few times. So lean forward, shift your weight into the front leg, extend the leg and find warrior 3. Now slowly bend the front leg and place the back leg down. If you have something to hold on to whilst you're doing this, that's fine. And we do 3 more. Lean forward, come up, and very slowly go down. Good, this is intense. Lean forward. If you lose your balance, come back up, and then go down. Good, at the last one, lean forward, and then control the lowering. Place the hands to frame the front leg and step back to downward facing dog. Pedal the feet, shake your head. Let's use this as our reset before we do the left side, the second side. Good. Now step the left leg in between your palms and come up to crescent. Into a lunge position. Legs are strong. Breathe. Now place the hands onto your hips, lean gently forward, and then come up to warrior. Very slowly bend the front leg, step the right leg back, crescent. Good. Lean forward, come up. Slowly go down, crescent. Lean forward and up. Slowly down. And 2 more. Up. And down. And the last one. Up. And down. Good. Place the hands down. And find downward facing dog. Pedaling the feet, shaking the head. And then stop for a second in downward facing dog. Slowly come forward into a plank. And then, whichever is easier for you, even with the knees down, lower gently to the mat. And let's come onto our belly. Place the hands by the side of your chest here, and on the next inhalation, raise your upper body up for Cobra. Lift your hands as well. Feel that strength in the lower body, the upper body. Engage your glutes. Two more breaths. Maybe lift higher. And then slowly come down, make a pillow of your forearms, bend your knees and let your feet sway side to side like windshield wipers. And now we're going to do one more. You can do the same variation we've just done, or if you want to follow me, place the hands by the side of your body in the same position as before, and on the next inhalation, raise into upward facing dog and stay here. Open the front side of the body, glutes are engaged here. Gaze up or in front of you. 2 more breaths. And then slowly lower to the mat. Send the pelvis back and let's find child's pose to release. Place the chest or the chin or the forehead to the mat. And when you're ready, in your own time, slowly come up into a cross-legged position. Place the palms onto your knees. Close your eyes here. Just notice how you feel for just a few moments. How is your lower back? How are your legs? And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. If you have the time, you can go into a longer Shavasana, and I will leave a video in a couple of moments on the screen for you. Thank you for choosing to practice with me today. I hope you've enjoyed it. Oftentimes the back isn't tight, it's just under supported. So today what we've done, we've stretched the muscles that support our lower back. If you've enjoyed this practice, there's an entire series on my channel, so hit subscribe and I will see you in the next session. Have an amazing rest of the day. Namaste.